Now, mृत्य हटाओ, world बचाओ. Now, mृत्य हटाओ और बचाओ. I discuss about mृत्य हटाओ और बचाओ and with Jnana Yoga. I will describe different parts of mृत्य हटाओ and world बचाओ. I shall describe about Jnana Yoga in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Over the ages, the Srimad Bhagavad, over the ages, the Dharmasastra Mahabharata has been looked, creating complicated of events leading up to a battle, human and moral casualties thereof. The war of Kurukshetra has also been known as Dharma Yuddha. We see in Gita, Dharmakshetra, Kurukshetra, Samaveta, Jujutsava. In the first slok of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, in the first part, first adhyay, first slok is Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Dharmakshetra, Kurukshetra, Samaveta, Jujutsava. The war of Kurukshetra has also been known as Dharma Yuddha or the war of righteousness. This also contains the Gita. What is Gita? The Gita is Shri Krishna's instruction to Arjuna. Shri Krishna's instruction to Arjuna as a what constitutes dharma, rightness, a multicolored phenomena of character and emotions, and the ongoing struggle between black and white. It is also multicolored phenomena between the struggle black and white, and also between the struggle straight and narrow. Gita is not only Gita. Gita is, it constitutes dharma, and also it depends on varieties struggle, ongoing to variety struggle between the black and white. Not only black and white, but also between the straight and narrow, and also the twisted and subverse, and especially between those who have the knowledge of the righteous action and the rare few who have a courage of conviction to put into the practice. Finally, as Krishna said, the battle of right conducted through physical force. Krishna said 5,000 years ago at Kurukshetra, in the field of Kurukshetra, in the battlefield of Kurukshetra, the battle of right conducted through physical force leads to numerous wrong, and in the net result, adharma increases. And I shall discuss about Gita. When I shall discuss about Gita. In Gita, I shall describe our Jnana Yoga. The fourth part is Jnana Yoga. The fourth adhyay is Jnana Yoga. I have discussed before 8 parts of or 8 adhyay in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. One of them is Vishad Yoga, Sankhya Yoga, Jnana Yoga, Moksha Yoga, etc. 18 parts of it. The name is first part is Vishad Yog, second name Sankho Yog, Karma Yog and Jnana Yog. The first part content and this fourth part contains the number of stroke. The number of strokes is 42 strokes. If we read the Jnana Yog, we see it contains 42 strokes. In first part of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, first Adhyay contains 46 slokes, second Adhyay 72, third Adhyay 42, fourth Adhyay 42, fifth Adhyay 29 slokes, sixth Adhyay 47 slokes, seventh Adhyay 30 slokes, eighth Adhyay 28 slokes, ninth Adhyay 34 slokes, tenth Adhyay 42 slokes, 11th Adhyay 55 slokes, 12th Adhyay 20 slokes, 13th Adhyay 35 slokes, 14th Adhyay 27 slokes, 15th Adhyay 20 slokes, 16th Adhyay 28 slokes, 17th Adhyay 28 slokes, and at last 8th Adhyay 78 slokes. If I discuss about Gita, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, it was made, it was died 12 crore years ago, 12 crores 4 lakhs before. Next, Krishna, Lord Krishna means Lord Kalki, Sati Manu 20 lakhs before, and next Krishna, that means Kalki in Dwapar Yug 5300 years ago in the battlefield of Kurukshetra. If we discuss it, he said it in Kurukshetra in this 28th Kali Yug. It is 28th Chatur Yug in the time of Vivaswata Manu. In this Brahma's age 15 years 1 day. When Vishnu comes in incarnation in Dwapar Yug, the name of third of 108 name Krishna, and 51 names Ram and 53 names Kalki in this Yug. The Vishnu came in incarnation in Dwapar Yug as Krishna. He explained this Gita in Kurukshetra battle, in the battle of Kurukshetra. Just time, in that time, Krishna or Kalki was 17 years old. 17 years old. It comes from Bhishma Parva. It comes in Mahabharata from 25th to 42 Adhyay. And it is 700 sloks. First slok of one slok in Dhritarashtra, Sanjay said 40 sloks, Arjun 45 sloks, Krishna said 574 sloks, and in Sanskrit it had 9,580. It occurs, but it comes from the battlefield of Kurukshetra. Kurukshetra was 48 course. 48 course. In that time, the army of Kuru was 18 Akkohini and Pandavas had 11 Akkohini. And it was start 21st Kartik. 21st Kartik. It has two chando. Anushtup and Trishtup chando.